Well, good morning, folks. I'm taking a peek at the nasdaq, or specifically SpaceX this morning. Look like we are coming off a bullish bounce here on the 15-minute chart, and I'm identifying the area of the liquidity void area, which should be a target. So today's Tuesday, and I would be looking at a long position with targets something like this today. Plan A and a plan B. Returning and retesting the lows at the sell side liquidity. So I have two plans, plan A, plan B. Just have to monitor the charts this morning, see what's going to happen at this morning's open. This steeper line here today is pretty strong. And if you know anything about steeper lines, kind of a pre-measured warning 9.85% in the last few bars. Let's go to the 30-minute chart, reset this chart up. Yeah, so we have a good rally to the upside here after it broke these relatively equal highs. I missed that move. I wasn't monitoring it, but it's got still got a relative equal high here to take out. But I'm more concerned about refilling this gap here in this big liquidity void from this opening gap from the previous a few sessions previously ago. Let me tighten up that area here and extend it out further, and then relock that. So I'm bullish on this right now, and probably be bullish for a while. We got some areas that need to be addressed in this area. Another internal buy-side liquidity there, relatively equal highs here, and a return to the upside here pretty soon, coming off the low. So today would be a day to be watching. I missed the earlier move, but I don't always watch this particular trade, but it because it's in the NASDAQ. Let me pop over to the NASDAQ here, and I need to go to electronic trading hours real fast. Yeah, because we're in the NASDAQ, I'm bullish today in the NASDAQ as well. Maybe for the rest of the week, see if we can reach these highs at this level here, and have a pretty tight stop. And that's on the NASDAQ. So you know, I'm a NASDAQ trader. I specialize in trading the NASDAQ. And I also like to watch other stocks that are inside the NASDAQ. Let's take a peek at Tesla this morning. So Tesla has some upward momentum that's going to be a positive for the NASDAQ on the opening bell. Who else do we have here in the NASDAQ that's going bullish today? Let me reset this chart. Get a different look. This one has a little momentum to go to. I'll be looking at these relatively equal highs here. If we can reach up to that, break that to return here, or a short-term gain here with that being the target. I would be bullish here, looking for something like that. So that's my perspective on this. We still have this area to consider as well. So that might push me to something like that. And we have this void price here. Value imbalance, okay. Liquidity void. And a better term for this one would be liquidity void. So let me go ahead and term that correctly. value imbalance. Do I have liquidity void? Here we go. A liquidity void here. So I'll be looking something like this in this trade. Upside potential, how long would it take? God knows. That's in the NVIDIA. So if we get a push to the upside in NVIDIA this morning, that's going to help the overall NASDAQ. And that's the kind of trade I'll be looking for. And let me go to the NASDAQ here. And I'm going to go ahead and place an order here. Go down to the 5-minute chart. Let's see what we have here. And the buy stop. Let's go back to your paper trade. I thought it was connected already. And that's why that didn't pop up. And this is just a demo account for trading purposes. And I would do a buy order here. And let's reset this chart. Where's my buy order? Where did it go? So my buy stop order would be just below there. Go to a 45-minute time frame. And I'll be targeting this area here. That's what I would be doing. So that would be my assessment on this entry today. With a target of these relatively equal highs here, and tighten up my stop loss on 40-5 fitting chart. So something like this is what I'll be waiting for today. Let's see how this trade plays out. This is Kevin here with Topdowntraders. Just to kind of give you an example of my demo account. Looks like I'm on 12,000. So I try to make good decisions when I teach people to trade, why I'm going in a certain direction. We have here, if you look to the left, we have equal highs and lows there, potential target there. I could do something like this and just manage the trade and, you know, take off portions when I get there. Looking forward to return to these smooth equal highs here. So that's the trade setup for the NASDAQ E-mini futures this morning on a 45-minute chart. Right now, I'm on the electronic trading hours. I'm going to maybe put this back to regular trading hours for when the market does open. We might get a little rejection down here, but this is a limit order. So if it doesn't get tagged into price today, that's fine. We have a huge gap in price on the electronic trading hours. This void of liquidity right here. Try to refill this gap. That will be the target and the hope for the rest of the week. Today is Tuesday. Typically, it's a good day, Tuesday to Thursday. On Thursday, I'll be looking probably for a potential reversal. Just monitoring the charts all day, trying to scalp taking significant profits out of the market, reduce my risk, manage the trade. That's my outlook for today on the NASDAQ. I hope you guys get something out of this lesson. Love you, love you, love ya.